Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to hard reset, also known as a factory reset, your HTC U Ultra. Alright, so you may want to do this if your phone maybe has a virus, it's not working properly, or maybe you have a password on it and you can't log into the phone. By doing the hard reset, it's going to erase everything back to factory condition, so that you can start using your phone normally again. So I'm going to show you the first method, which is through the settings. So let's go ahead and find settings. Here in settings, you're going to scroll down to backup and reset right here. And then it's going to be the last option, factory data reset. So here it's just letting you know that everything in your phone will be erased back to factory condition. So back up anything that you want to keep if you can. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit reset phone. And then here it's just asking you to confirm. You're about to erase all data and everything on your phone. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit OK, and the reset process will begin. All right, so let's go ahead and shut the phone off now. To do the other method of the hard reset, you have to have your phone powered off. Alright, so once the phone is completely powered off, what we're going to do is we're going to press both volume up and volume down. We're going to hold them and the power button. So we're going to press all three of them at the same time for about 3 seconds, and then you're going to let go of the power button and continue to hold volume up and volume down. Alright, so let's go ahead and do it now. 1, 2, 3. Let go of the power button and continue to hold the volume up and volume down. Once you see this white screen, let go of the volume buttons. So here we're going to scroll down to boot to recovery mode, and we're going to confirm with the power button. You're going to get this HTC logo, and then a phone screen is going to come up. Like an HTC phone. Okay, there you go. Once you see this on the screen of your phone, what you're going to do is you're going to hold the power button down and press volume up and let it go. So hold it and then press and let it go. And it's going to take you here to Android recovery. Once you're here, just scroll down to Web Data Factory Reset. Hit the power button, and then here, just select yes and hit the power button to confirm. Wait till it says data wipe complete down here. There we go, data wipe complete. Once you see that, you can just hit the power button to reboot the phone. All right, give it a couple seconds, maybe a minute or two, and the phone will reboot and boot up. And there we go, the phone has booted up, and as you can see, we are at the initial setup of the phone. So now you can go ahead and choose your language, country, all that good stuff, and get your HTC U Ultra set up. So that was just a quick video, everyone, on how to hard reset or factory reset your HTC U Ultra. So go ahead and please give this video a like, especially if it helped you out, and I will see you around in the next one. And as always, peace.